Is it time to buy or sell Palantir stock? In this video, we will explore Palantir in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 9th of July, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more thorough analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 2nd of July, 2025, our system has ranked Palantir as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.98. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 8.33%. This equates to an average return of 1.67% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating further potential for growth within this trajectory. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible change of approximately 44.62% over the next 3 months, with anticipated returns ranging between 33.95% and 52%. In terms of a longer outlook, our 12-month analysis reveals a projected change of about 410.37%. Based on our estimations, the stock's performance could vary from 273.02% to 428% over the coming year. In today's terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $533.90 and $755.72. Our latest daily update for Palantir includes the headline, Green Day on Wednesday for Palantir. The Palantir stock price gained 2.45% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 9th of July, 2025. It rose from $139.71 to $143.13. This marks 5 consecutive days of gains. It will be interesting to see if this upward trend continues or if there will be a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 4.19%, with a low of $137.39 and a high of $143.14. While the price has increased in 7 of the last 10 days, it remains down by 0.07% over this period. The trading volume also saw an increase on the last day, which is a positive technical indicator, with 9 million more shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 68 million shares changed hands for approximately $9.76 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $148.22, while the lowest was $21.23. Currently, the price is 3.43%, or $5.09, below the 52-week high of $148.22, which also stands as the all-time high for the stock. Palantir Technologies, or PLTR, is once again capturing investor attention with a remarkable revenue surge. As of July 9th, 2025, the company has achieved a significant milestone of $1 billion in revenue, underscoring its robust performance this year. PLTR's stock has soared over 83% year-to-date, largely due to its impressive second quarter projections, which indicate a potential revenue of $934 to $938 million, marking a 38% year-over-year growth. Investor sentiment is buoyed further by a 71% surge in PLTR's U.S. commercial operations. Moreover, in an exciting development, Palantir has partnered with Tomorrow.io to integrate advanced weather intelligence into its platforms. This collaboration is expected to enhance decision-making processes across various sectors, including defense and supply chain logistics, paving the way for broader applications of Palantir's technology. In terms of investor behavior, PLTR is currently among the top 10 most visited stocks, reflecting increased interest amid ongoing market uncertainty. As history shows, the stock has performed exceptionally well. Positioned as a top performer in both the S&P 500 and NASDAQ 100 in the first half of 2025, in the short term, these developments could drive further stock appreciation as confidence in the company's growth trajectory strengthens. Conversely, the sustained enthusiasm and strategic partnerships may solidify PLTR's valuation in the long run, reinforcing its position in this competitive landscape. Investors are closely monitoring these factors as they could potentially shape PLTR's trajectory in the foreseeable future. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 25th of June, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned PLTR a positive rating with a hold recommendation. On Monday, the 2nd of June, 2025, Goldman Sachs assigned PLTR a neutral rating with a hold recommendation. On the same day, Citigroup also assigned PLTR a neutral rating with a hold recommendation. On that Monday, Loop Capital Markets rated PLTR as a buy with a hold recommendation. Earlier, on Tuesday, the 6th of May, 2025, UBS assigned PLTR a neutral rating with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned Palantir stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, analysts have given the stock a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Palantir. The Palantir stock has received buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support will be provided by levels at $136.44 and $132.83. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Notably, volume is increasing alongside the price, which is a favorable technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also been noted, which may impact short-term trends. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Thursday, June 26, 2025, and thus far, the stock has declined by 0.776%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal emerging from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 9 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 16 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 7 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicated a buy signal 59 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 63 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for Palantir. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $131.78 and $130.74. There's an inherent risk when a stock is testing a support level. If this level is breached, the stock may decline to the next support level. In this instance, Palantir has support just below today's level at $131.78. Should this level be broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $130.74 and $108.86. This stock exhibits average daily movements, and with healthy trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $5.75 between its high and low, representing a change of 4.19%. For the past week, the stock has experienced daily average volatility of 3.48%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for Palantir, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. An extremely high PE ratio suggests that the stock may be overvalued. However, it is not unusual for technology companies or those with significant market potential to exhibit such high ratios. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 4th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are set at 14 cents. It's important to monitor these figures as they can have a substantial impact on stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Palantir. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Palantir is at $143.23. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Palantir encounters its first support level at $131.78. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Palantir from various analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were conducted by Wershing Eric H., who bought and sold 9,414 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we found that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 11.758. In total, insiders acquired 3,747,492 shares and sold 4,751,265 shares during the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $137.28, representing a decrease of 4.09%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a moderate level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal based on a pivot top that was identified 8 days ago. Is Palantir stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, combined with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current price may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance that Palantir stock will perform well in the near future. However, after examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price may be overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 10th of July, we anticipate that Palantir will open lower by $1.91, starting at a price of $141.22. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor prior to making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from everyone here at Stock Invest.